Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Ever found yourself scrolling through your iPhone contacts and stumbling upon multiple entries for the same person? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to identify and remove duplicate contacts from your iPhone, ensuring a clean and organized contact list. Let's go. Duplicate contacts can clutter your address book, making it difficult to find the right information and even send unnecessary messages. You have a few options. You can manually delete the duplicates or combine matching contacts into a single entry. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to delete duplicate contacts on your iPhone. Open the Contacts app. Scroll through your contact list and look for duplicate entries. You can identify them by similar names, phone numbers, or email addresses. Tap on the duplicate contact. Go to the Edit button and scroll down to Delete Contact. You also have the option to combine the matching contacts if it is a hassle to delete them manually. When you open the Contacts app on your iPhone, you'll see a card that says Duplicate Found below your name. This feature is a helpful tool that identifies and allows you to merge duplicate contact entries. From there, you can click the View Duplicates and choose Merge All to clean up your address book. After deleting or merging duplicates, scroll through your contact list again to ensure that the duplicates have been removed. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.